Jeez. Dude, no wonder they call it the Godzilla. Welcome back, guys. It's Friday and we've got problems.
So we're off to a hot start for JK's. We, well, it's been something I've been chasing for a while and just neglecting, but we actually, I think, found my coolant leak.
So yeah, we noticed there was a certain spot it was coming out of and traced it back up to this this little hose.
This is some makeshift engineered stuff.
This little clown nose thing, we put a bike pump thing through and then put this on right here and then pressurized it with the bike pump. It pushed coolant out as we watched it out of that little like gasket on it.
Pretty straightforward.
So one diagnosis already. Oh, I was here a little bit earlier and I was waiting on Jacob, but I started working on the 240Z a little bit. Quickly ran into a lot of headache with the AC lines. I kind of mocked up where the condenser is going to sit so I can measure it out correctly for the brackets. And then I got into running the lines. We're going to have to basically go through the firewall and have it like just loop back around into the evaporator. All in all, like we're at the step of putting the AC lines in and making the brackets for the condenser and then paint all the brackets. Yeah, so today's just going to be basically running lines, crimping fittings, and attaching lines. Yeah. Once we get something figured out, we'll come back to you. I designed the top two brackets for the condenser, drew them out, then do the bottom two brackets, which will be the same but mirrored. So it's gonna be nice and easy. And then we'll have the condenser mounted, all the brackets done, I think.
And then wiring the control panel.
Yeah.
So.
But we're waiting for Trevor because there's a few things that we ran into that we want his opinion and acceptance on. So he's coming today with his buddy to put a new alternator on, like a new one, which is right there. What's up, guys? We're about to head home. We just want to give you a quick update. We finished all the brackets. We didn't get to show you them on the thing, but we're cleaning them up. We're gonna paint them real quick. So tomorrow we'll just install it all and show you how it all looks. Looks pretty good.
The other set already has one paint of coat.
Paint of coat. They are genuine, professionally made brackets.
Let's get out of here, bro. It's been a tornado, and we want to get home.
It already feels like a tornado.
A tornado flew around.
All right, guys. End of Friday.
Happy Friday. Tomorrow's Saturday.
And we're gonna get a lot of work done. See you then.
It's Saturday, and we got a little fun piece here in the garage that stopped by. I love being here.
Yeah.
This is sick.
I love being here too.
This car is so cool. Keaton's taking photos. Little cameraman.
It's a GTR.
Ooh. Ooh. This is beautiful.
When you get more of these things.
For a while, because I want to do it. I don't want to do it like I'm not picture you sit there. Do you have the time?
Oh, that's sick. Nice to meet you, Harold. Thanks for coming by. Come by again.
Yeah.
Watch that pothole. I low-key hope he goes east. Tight here. Jeez. Dude, no wonder they call it the Godzilla.
It sounds
like a
nuts.
screaming dinosaur.
That's badass. He said like 400 something? At all
470?
four wheels?
Yeah. I can't wait to watch this video later.
Yeah. What a beauty.
Yeah, so we're back today, Saturday, and that was Harold. He stopped by to install a new alternator on Trevor's Datsun. And now we are waiting for those brackets to dry on their second coat. I'm working on making the control panel. Trevor okayed our wishes to make it easier, but not super easy.
Not all of our wishes, but enough of the wishes. So we're making that plate, and then the new, there it is, that'll sit inside the plate. And then around the perimeter on that plate, we are going to carbon fiber wrap it. It's gonna go together with, you know, this bad boy, the carbon fiber grill. So we actually just mounted up our dryer.
Look at the brackets. You haven't even seen the brackets yet. We finished those brackets, painted them up. They mount real nice. Hold this thing. They're finger tight right now, but look how sturdy that is. We got a good idea for doing the control panel and center air. We mounted up and created this faceplate for the panel that's carbon wrapped. But the problem is the factory style of the center air has this weird duct system that runs into it. But we found that we could use one of the defrost kit vents mounted up to this. So we're gonna make a metal plate for this also that blocks the air and sight so that only this flows through. And yeah, I don't have to 3D print or design anything. On the off chance that you're making your 240Z air conditioned, ask us if you need the bracket diagrams that we used.
One more. Call it, ready? Yep. Snap.
Just look at it.
I mean, it surely looks crimped.
Yeah, it looks like did the job. I'm trying to pull it off. It's Sunday. We're back working on the Datsun, but Jacob just found that there's a European car show today. So we're gonna go check that out for like 20 minutes and get a little bit of footage, but I already started mocking up a little bit on the vent for the Datsun, the center vent.
What's up? We're here at the, whatever this is.
There's a BMW Fest.
It looks like it, especially over here. This thing looks super tight bucket. Hold on, dude. Let me look at these Beamers. Dude, look at this. Look at the new M4. Check out this M5, bro. Hold up, do they got an E30 M3? Like the 8 series? That's gotta be a CSI. Dude, look at this.
Yeah, it was not, you had...
The Datsun Monster Pantera.
Alright, let's go. We gotta leave. You can't look at it. Oh, go look at this thing, man.
Now figure out how to do it. Do it after. Do it like use something with good knowledge.
He knows everybody's fat.
Yeah, he's like, yeah, so the pistons are a diameter of 91.
No, that was this is the same thing as from over there.
I think this is the 2+2.
Yeah. So this guy comes up.
If you could have any car here, Aiden, which one would you take?
There's actually a 4runner in the parking lot over there I was looking at.
Is it pretty nice?
Yeah, nice lift and level kit on it. So.
Oh, that's sick. I like this.
That thing's cool too.
Back from the car show. There's a lot of cool cars there.
But don't be goofy. Go to our Instagram if you want to see the cool photos. We have our little control panel to show. Oh, bro. Control panel, ventilation, it's all.
We had to make our own plate right there. So this defroster thing that came with the kit could go there. Did you show them everything down here already?
Let's show them again.
Okay, so we've got the bulkhead here, which has the inlet and outlet. The inlet we have running right here to this dryer. Dryer connects to this line right here, over through here to the condenser at the low end. And then at the high end, we have this hard line it came with, connects right there, runs back. We're gonna make a small bracket to connect and hold it up right here, but 90 through here and straight to the compressor. And the compressor inlet, the low pressure right there, that number 10 comes all the way back to that bulkhead right there. So now we're gonna throw the air box back in on this side with the newly painted brackets and cut and crimp the remaining hoses. Not much left really. Once we get those heater hoses mounted with the rest of the AC line, all we gotta do is figure out the control panel and test fit the dash.
Yeah. Trevor was having some problems with his stereo, so we went ahead and decided we just wire it up with a little benchy and see if it works. And
It works.
go ahead and throw in one of the videos.
Sounds good.
But we're gonna put it all back together and it should work, because it works right now. We are wrapping up for, I guess this is vlog 4, right?
Yep.
So this is our 4th weekend doing this. It's been a whole month.
Yeah,
Kinda
we'll
where
just
we
do a
are.
quick run through because next weekend we're going to be finishing up. As you've seen on the front end, everything's ran. We still have to just slice the heater hose and run it through, which is real quick. Everything's mounted in place, wires ready to go, hook up. Very minimal work for the AC system that's left. We have to pick up Nylog oil because the kit didn't come with any oil for the O-rings, and you have to use a specific oil, otherwise it'll either deteriorate the O-rings or absorb moisture.
Inside?
From here on out, it's literally just Lego pieces, so
And electrical stuff.
yeah, that's basically Lego pieces does.
But we got some really cool photos, so check it out on Instagram.
Yeah.
Otherwise, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment. What was your favorite car?
Yeah,
And see you next weekend.
yeah, thank you.